back to Jordy's bullshit.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
You want to tell the people what we're doing today?
Picking off burrs from my chafing.
Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful. We're putting back on his manifolds. Ta-da. Now, from what Jordy told me earlier, he could not find new studs. So,
And I'm broke.
so we're gonna reuse the old ones and hoping they don't break. Just tightening them up. Nothing too interesting going on here.
Boom! Back on. I use my handy dandy elbow click torque wrench.
Those muscles.
Yep. But yeah, back on. Reuse the studs. Cool. Flame me in the comments. Don't care. The spoon's gonna make the secondary air pump block off plates because I don't want to buy them and we have a spoon, so I'm gonna utilize the spoon. Best tool a guy could ask for is the spoon.
Anyways, Jordy's now doing his coil packs, but we're not gonna record this because he's been in there like 3 different times. Voila.
It looks like an engine again. We got headers. We got coil packs. We got accessories. Boom, boom. We need a manifold though.
Oh no.
Yeah. It's okay.
See you guys tomorrow.
4 to 6 days later.
Another day, another update on Jordy's engine, which you guys have been more than vocal with me about how you don't want to see this. Done in the car. Wow, imagine if that's how fast it worked. Now, this video is not just going to be Jordy's engine update. We have an update for the Miata as well, and we're going to have a guest appearance on the channel for someone's car that everyone's been talking about and everyone wants to see. And if you guessed it's the one behind me, stay tuned to hear from the man himself. I also was supposed to do a review on this AI Box Elite. It's not where it belongs. It's actually a good product, but because I have a dial in the Mazda, it's not allowing me to enter my hotspot password. That's the only thing that sucks. So I'm gonna give it to Jim and see how he likes it. So anyways, I'm not gonna bore you with whatever Jordy's got going on today.
All right, rear main seal, flywheel clutch, trans.
Jordy, what happened?
I got Brian.
You got Brian.
I don't know what that means.
That means he's missing hardware.
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Fly. You fly like a G6.
That's what you were getting at?
No. I was saying Shoreline Mafia, but.
Look a little dry.
What was that?
It looks dry. You'll lube it up.
A little hot to it.
Hopefully this goes viral.
Alright, I'm done.
You ready to shove it on there?
Stick it in and hope for the best.
That's what she said.
Close enough for me. Gotta clean up.
The next day.
Boom! You guys remember this old thing? What? So we're in the Miata. This is the update you've been waiting for. I'm finally gonna put the roll bar in. Not completely, we're just gonna put it in, measure everything out, and Spoon's gonna help me out. Ooh, let's bring her in. Okay, got the car inside. Time to cut these pesky zip ties and get the harnesses off. Now, time to remove the harness bar I already installed in here. RIP all my stickers, but it's okay. On to a new era. I want to say this is a 20. I know I said it's probably a 20, but now that I'm actually looking at the sockets, it's probably a 19 or an 18. So I'm gonna grab both just to be safe. It's a 17. Jordy just told me the best news. We still have the plastic black pieces from the 1.6. These are spray painted, if you couldn't tell.
No, we couldn't tell.
It's fine, it's fine. It's okay, guys. Yes! Why is it
Keep going. Alright.
Killed it.
Anticlimactic.
Okay, so we got the replacement trim pieces, and I'm cleaning them a little with glass cleaner. Look at that. Better already. Time to do this side. Be right back.
Does it look good?
You can sell that window for a lot of money.
I'll say yeah, it probably is worth a lot of money now. Okay, time to put the actual roll bar on. And the roll bar is not in. Ran into some trouble with the hardware, of course. It is never an easy task. Always some issues. See you tomorrow.
By sheer coincidence.
Last piece of my puzzle, Grant.
That's all you're missing?
That's all I'm missing.
Dude, I'm glad I could help.
No.
Thanks,
With the
Grant.
parts you
That
gave,
I gave him.
the parts you gave to me, which is even better. What's up, Kai?
Hey,
What's up, blog? What's up? What's up?
here to pick up Jordy's last missing piece.
I love it. That's perfect.
Last piece of the puzzle.
The following Thursday.
Nice ass. We'll touch some aminals. That's how you know it's a good one.
That's good quality.
Is there enough gas in it?
How much horsepower you think it's got?
Half.
I feel the same way, Lynn.
Excited.
Damn, whole thing to the mouth.
Bro, go get one.
That's crazy. Huh?
Dude, that's so good.
What is it?
I just said, let me get the strawberries.
Just straight strawberry?
What's your review?
I want another one.
1, juicy. 2, delicious. Nothing I want.
Time to go home. Biggie was great time. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
New day, new glasses, and special guest appearance from the man himself, Spoon. Hi, Spoon.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good. Tired. Another day.
Felt that it's Friday, though. It's Friday, Friday.
Exciting stuff.
Exciting stuff indeed.
You get an exclusive. on
I
my
know.
car
I'm excited.
Before anybody. For those that don't know or haven't seen the car, it is a Toyota GT86 BRZ FRS, whatever. It's an 8.6. Not only just your basic 8.6, it is space 4.
Best motor. SR20 God's gonna be mad I said that.
It is a bone stock K20 BMW 6-speed ZF Trans full TF4 swap kit. Made my life so much easier. It's all figured out. It all works. It fits.
Perfect. Honestly. I was just telling Spoon before, I like how small it is because it makes the bay look really big and even cleaner than it already is.
Best looking 4-cylinder there is, second to B-Series.
What's this customization you got over here? It's pretty sick.
Custom one-off turbo manifold, turbo smart, 5862, turbo smart gate. Homie function fabrication designed the catch can for me and had it all cut out for me. I just welded it together. My aluminum's getting better.
Nice weld jobs. Have you guys wondered who taught me how to weld? That's so fake. You taught me how to booger weld. I booger weld your diff.
Oh yeah,
My hands are on this car too.
You did weld this diff. I forgot about that.
Does that mean I'm the first person besides you to touch your car?
Yeah.
That's why I get the exclusive, everyone.
I've literally built this entire car almost by myself. Obviously, I've had help here and there, a few hands. Can't do it by yourself, but
The best tool is a spoon.
physically, I've done everything. I've wired the car. I've made throw pot, overflow, fan shroud, plate, almost everything, manifold, intake. Learn how to weld.
Welding helps a lot.
It doesn't even have to be a TIG welder. I got very far with a MIG welder and a grinder. You can make a lot.
All you need is a goal and a dream.
That's it.
All right, let's get to the interior.
The car is pretty much done. Like, it's ready to start. We plan on starting it on Monday.
I won't get that, but check out Jim's video for that.
I just finished up the exhaust and dump tube, and that was the last of it. I got to do a few things, like bleed the brakes, put fluids in it.
Speaking of brakes, this pedal's hot.
Yeah, tilt and pedal box.
Yeah.
Listen, I've had it laying around from a previous project for a long time. I'm bougie. I'm not that bougie, but I had it, so I used it.
It's laying around, just gotta use it.
That's it. Yeah, full Haltech ECU, Haltech display, Haltech keypads right in the center.
Is that Chase from Chase Bays?
Yeah. Chase Bays handbrake. LZ MFG steering wheel just because of the orange.
Gotta say, I really like the orange accents.
Yeah, it's my favorite color if you can't tell.
It's your favorite holiday, Halloween?
No,
Damn, that's crazy.
that's crazy. Graham Light 57 CRs.
Great
CRs
shoes.
are cool, but I'm a 5-spoke kind of guy. Rocket Bunny V1 overs. For the most part, the body's stock. I got a 2017 or 2018 Subaru bumper, which is nice. It got a bunch of cool body lines.
I didn't peep around the corner there.
Yeah. It's got a bunch of cars getting tested and driven like this, at least for an event or two, and then I'm wrapping it. I already have the wrap. I'm not painting it.
Shout out Martino.
Shout out Martino. Love you. Still gotta pay for that. My bad.
You guys remember JDM Fest? We brought that wrap home.
Oh yeah, you did. Thank you. Say it, but only a few people know the color. Actually, I've told a lot of people. So if you can't figure it out by now, I can't help you guys.
Excited to drive it?
Nervous, but yeah, I'm excited. You want to see the exhaust?
Yeah, I kind of do. Whoa.
Owning a newer chassis.
What?
It's very clean. Got no rust. This is from when I welded the cage and I had to paint that.
Oh, that kind of fell on me.
Alright. Full FDF in the front, full FDF in the rear. Full straight pipe, tail dump. Nothing fancy. Should be loud. I have no idea what this car's gonna sound like.
Find out on Monday.
So the goal is to start it Monday. We leave for LZ Wednesday.
And hopefully we're starting and driving that thing on Monday too. Maybe.
Possibly.
Maybe. Probably Tuesday.
It's actually close.
Yeah, it's really close. Jordy's working on the exhaust right now while I do this, guys. That's gonna be next video. Yeah, you can get a 10. You're a 10 out of 10, babe. Oaks Garage Drift Team coming soon?
You driving?
Am I? I don't know. I was talking about you, Jordy, and Austin. But I'll be the fourth member.
You can stop being scared.
I know Jordy can wheel. I can wheel, kind of. I just haven't done it in my car. Speaking about me getting behind the wheel, more update on the roll bar next time.
Yeah, no, we're doing that this weekend.
Yeah, we're doing. Yeah, but it's gonna be on next time's video. So I gotta say next time. Any last words? Stop harassing this man in the comments.
No, people think I don't want to show the car on the channel. It's not that. I'm just like you guys, bro. I'm broke. I'm spending every bit of money I can on the car. Some of it's done. Getting close to being done.
As Dolly Parton would say, working 9 to 5. Long time awaiting, and you guys will see it on the road soon. Thank you, Spoon.
Coming to a track near you.
Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys soon.